Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. This is Sayyid Mazhar Imam from Islamabad, Pakistan once again. Friends, many people in your life try to impose their will onto you. The most powerful thing you can do to begin with is to understand why these people are making fun of you. Any person that has all their needs met is happy with who they are and loves where they are in life and does not have any reason to put other people down. You can understand all negativity stems from a lack of human needs being met. Usually, that person who has ever made fun of you was doing it because they aren't happy with themselves. They are really hurting inside and they don't feel like they are good enough. So they try to take out their anger on you or try to do it to make people laugh, to feel like someone accepts them. People who ever make fun of you or gang up on you are usually weak and afraid inside. Some of them may be making fun of you because they are really terrified of what would happen if someone shined the spotlight onto them. So they try to shift it away. Every single person has flaws. No one is perfect. We are all insecure about something. That's what makes us human. Remember, it's your power of belief. It's your power of belief that makes you or breaks you. You may have a hopeless end or an endless hope. You may become strongly mental or mentally strong. The power of belief is the greatest gift from Allah. It's the power that enables you to deal with the ups and downs of life with patience and hope. These people are not your friends. Distance yourself from them in any way possible. It may be hard to distance yourself from them in certain circumstances, but don't be afraid to start meeting new people who treat you the way you deserve to be treated, like an equal. There are a lot of good people out there, and you do not need to settle for being around a bunch of phony people who really have lost their way in life. I really pity on them. Thank you very much.